Good morning, my little children. Sai Ram. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, are you all doing good at home? Okay. Today, again, I welcome you all in today's session. Now, students, can you tell me what we will do today? First, tell me what is the day today? Today is Tuesday. Very good. And on Tuesday, what we do? We do craft. Very good, children. I hope you all are ready. First tell me, have you done all the craft activities whichever I have taught you? Have you done them or not? See, in craft, we will do paper folding flower. Yes, today we will make a paper folding flower. See. I hope you all are ready, children. Now take out your 2 origami sheets and do the activity with me. Okay? Okay, students. Now, for paper folding flower, all will be required is 1 origami sheet. See? Or if you want to make 2 flowers, you can take 2 origami sheets. Here, I'll make 2 flowers. So, I'll take pink color, and for another flower, I'll take orange sheet. Okay? Your green crayon and the green watercolor. Okay? And the most important thing is Fevicol. So students, now see how I am making the paper folding flower. Are you all ready? See, here first I am taking the orange sheet. Okay? So students, our first step is we will make a triangle. Yes, very good, children. First we will make a triangle. And I know you have learned how to make a triangle from the sheet. See, like this. Students, I want you to make this flower with me. Okay? Now open it. Now join this point to this point. Okay? Like this. In this way. See. Okay? Is it clear? Can you see the center line? You know the center line is very necessary, very important. Now student, what we will do? See. We will fold this side up. Fold this side up. In this way, like this. See. Same from this side. We fold like this side to up. In this way. Can you see it? Students, now what we will do? We will give a small fold here. In this way. See. Same from this side. We will give one more small fold here. Like this. Okay. In this way, I am giving 2 small folds here. See. And 1 small fold from the bottom point. Like this. So here's my 1 flower ready. Now for you, again I'll show you how to make another flower. The same way. And do you know the name of this flower? This is tulip. This is tulip. Okay. Now look here. Again I have taken the sheet. Now tell me which color is this? This is pink color. Very good. Again students, join these 2 points. this point and this point and make a triangle. Then open it. Then join this corner to this corner. Slowly and beautifully. I want my children to make beautiful flowers, okay? Will you make or not? See. Again I'm telling you, I want the center line. See. I want the center line. Like this. Here we have. Okay. It will divide our flower. Then it will look like a petals. Now what we will do? We will turn this side up. Like this. In this way. Turn this side up. And for the same from this side, we will turn this side also up. Like this. See children? Is it clear? Now what we will do? We will turn it and fold this side. Small part. Okay. Same with this side. Here folded the corners and the bottom as well. So the flower will not open. Okay. Now I'll turn it like this. And one flower is here. Okay. Now we will paste it first. Okay. Okay students. Now as you can see, I have pasted them in the Artfine. And I want same from your side, okay? Now with the help of crayon, what I will do, I'll make one standing line. Okay? One, like this. Okay? And one standing line from this side. See. Understood children? Now with the help of this green crayon, what I'll do thumb printing, okay, for making leaves like this. See how I'm doing? Two thumb impression will be here. Okay. See students. Now I want you to make the flower like this, okay? Is it clear children? Very good. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed the video. Did you like it? Have you learned how to make a paper folding flower? Very good. Now I want you all to make this flower, okay, and stick it in your Artfine. Will you do it or not? Very good children. Now that's all for today. I'll see you on the next session children. Till then, thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Sai Ram children. Bye bye.